Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix battery draining issue on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, how to fix this issue? So iPhone battery running issue in iOS 17.1. So first solution, you have enable low power mode. When battery running issue passing on your iPhone, so you have open the setting, click on battery, click on low power mode. I have already turned off, so you have turn on your iPhone. Then second solution, you have find out which app are draining unusual battery. So then you have, while any app then more times on your iPhone, so then any apps battery running uh, issue create on your iPhone, so you have delete on your iPhone. Then if you suspect that create an app are causing excessive battery drain on your iPhone iOS 17 device, follow these steps to identify and manage them. So you have open the setting and click on battery, so then you have click on battery health, so then you have check and then you have uh, click on battery, so then you have check the last trust, then you have battery level and activity, so then you have which app is battery draining create facing issue on your iPhone. Then third solution, you have reset all settings, so you have again open the setting, click on general, click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset all setting, iPhone given a passcode, and then we have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all setting on your iPhone. Then fourth solution, you have update all app, so then you have click on App Store, so then you have 2 seconds wait, and then you have click on App Store ID icon, so then you have scroll up, then we update all app from here. Then fifth, if you are experience rapid battery running on your iOS 17 device, outdated app could be the culprit on your iPhone. Then fifth solution, you have restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, and then your mobile is restarted, then your problem will be fixed. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.